Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is the day of divine relationship between brother and sister. So happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you first. Today is 3rd August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previously question. Our first question was who launched personal UPI payment link mpay.me? PhonePe, Paytm, MobiKwik, Amazon. The correct answer here is MobiKwik. Recently, option C is correct here. Recently, MobiKwik launched a personal UPI payment link mpay.me. Okay, our second question was KVIC has received purchases order of 1.80 lakh marks from whom? ICMR, IRCS, AMS, NTPC. The correct answer here is option B, IRCS. Abbreviation of IRCS is Indian Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society gave order to the KVIC. Abbreviation is Khadi and Village Industry Commission of the purchases order of 1.80 lakh masks. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is which government launched mobile COVID center for COVID-19 testing? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. The correct answer here is option B, Telangana. Recently, the Telangana government has rolled out the mobile COVID-19 testing center in containment zone and low income group residential area across the state. Recently, Telangana government launched the mobile COVID center for COVID-19 testing. Okay, Telangana is in news. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Chief Minister is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Tamilisai Soundarajan is the governor. Tamilisai Soundarajan is the governor of Telangana. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards next question. In which state plantation drive is carried out and made Guinness World Record? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Option A is correct here. Recently, in Uttar Pradesh, the plantation drive is carried out by Uttar Pradesh Forest Department in 8 districts. In 8 districts has now entered Guinness World Record for the most species plantation simultaneously in 240 location within an hour. In 240 location within an hour. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next question. Who is appointed as managing director of HP? Sanjeev Kapoor, Ketan Patel, Vinay Aswasti. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Ketan Patel. Option B is correct here. Recently, Ketan Patel appointed as the managing director of HP. Okay, he replaces the Vinay Aswasti. He replaces Vinay Aswasti and achieve the managing director of HP. Okay, next question. Who has become the world's most valuable publicly traded company? Apple, Saudi Aramco, option C Amazon, option D Microsoft. The correct answer here is Apple. Option A is correct here. Recently, Apple became the world's most valuable publicly traded company. The headquarters of the Apple is in California, USA. In California, the CEO is Tim Cook. Tim Cook is the CEO of Apple and it is founded in 1976, 1st April. In 1st April 1976, Apple is founded. Okay. Next question. Which country launched underground ballistic missile on 29 July 2020? Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Egypt. The correct answer here is Iran. Option B is correct here. The paramilitary Revolutionary Guard of the Iran launched underground ballistic missile on 29 July 2020. Okay, the capital of the Iran is Tehran. Tehran is the capital. Iranian rial is the currency here and president is Hassan Rouhani. Hassan Rouhani is the president of Iran. Okay, next question. Who has given first lead poisoning report 2020? WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, UNICEF. Recently, UNICEF published first report on lead poisoning report 2020. Okay, UNICEF is a news. The abbreviation is United Nations Children's Fund. United Nations Children's Fund is the abbreviation. The headquarters of the UNICEF is situated in New York. In New York, headquarters is situated. It is established in 1946. Okay. In this report, they published that from every 3 child, one have 5 microgram or more lead in the blood of a one child. Okay. Next question. Which state governor recently passed the 3 capital system in the state? Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar. The correct answer here is Andhra Pradesh. Option A is correct here. Recently in Andhra Pradesh, the governor passed the 3 capital system in the state. The separate capital from the legislative, executive and judicial. Okay. The legislative capital will be Amravati. Recently the capital of the Andhra Pradesh is the legislative capital. Executive capital is Visakhapatnam is the executive capital, and Kurnool is the judicial capital. Kurnool become the judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh. The chief minister of Andhra Pradesh is Jagan Mohan Reddy and governor is Biswabhushan Harichandan. Recently Biswabhushan Harichandan passed the 3 capital system in the state, separate for the legislative, executive and judicial. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as the independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited? C. Rangarajan, Urjit Patel, Deepak Mishra. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Urjit Patel. Option B is correct here. The former RBI governor Urjit Patel is appointed as the independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited. Okay. Next question. Who got Lifetime Achievement Award by Earth Science Ministry? Rajesh Bhatia, Ashok Sahani, K. Sivan. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Ashok Sahani. Recently Ashok Sahani got the Lifetime Achievement Award by Earth Science Ministry. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Which bank launched a campaign named Kona Kona Ummid? Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC, PNB, SBI. The correct answer here is option A, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Recently Kotak Mahindra Bank launched a campaign named Kona Kona Ummid. It includes the competitive rates and the attractive offers to the customers. Okay. The headquarters of the Kotak Mahindra Bank is situated in Mumbai. It is in Mumbai. The CEO is Uday Kotak. And it is founded in February 2003. In 2003, Kotak Mahindra Bank is founded. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, who has launched March 2020 Perseverance rover mission? Our second question is, who chaired the 6th BRICS Environment Minister meeting 2020? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe it for the further updates. Thank you.